Okay, I'll repeat it again. Okay, so there are 5 questions. So talking straight means the usual funda questions or something like that. So when you pounce, naturally you pounce to Mr. Arvind, and for that, if you are right, you get +10. If you are wrong, -5. And in bounce, we are having talking straight 2 rounds. First round 5 questions. I can come up, it will come later with 5 questions. Okay, is it clear? And if it pauses, it is 10, just 10. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Everybody is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Sarkar, yes. Are you here? Your first question is to you.
Yeah.
Bouncing 10 seconds. Assam, okay. Question number 1. Assam got it in 1927. Odisha got it in 1936. Andhra got it in 1956. Tamil Nadu got it in 1970. That is in our golden jubilee year. Bihar got it in 2012. Bengal doesn't have one. What we are talking about? It is a time for
direct,
bouncing.
right?
Yes, you are direct, Mr. Sarkar. We'll wait. Yes, pouncing is closed. Anybody pounced? Arvind? Anybody pounced?
Nobody, sir. Nobody.
Nobody pounced. So, Mr. Sarkar, your turn.
So is this the state emblem?
State emblem. No, I pass it on to Mr. Shrey Bhatte.
Sir, I'm gonna guess state flag.
No, it's wrong. Rishi Raj.
You're on mute.
Rishi Raj.
The State Recognition Act.
No. Vinod.
Is this a state animal?
No. Mr. Arun.
It's a state song or something like that.
State song. What is that state song? Can you give me an example?
Like an anthem that song will have.
State anthem. Okay. Which state you are from?
Kerala. I don't think I have one.
Exactly right. Mr. Arun, you are getting 10 points for that. Okay. So Assam was the first state to get it in 1927. We are talking about state anthem. Tamil Nadu got Tamil Thai Valtu, Neerarum Kadal Odutha in 1970. That's why we are celebrating Golden Jubilee now. Bihar got it in 2010, 2012 later. Bengal doesn't have one because Mamata Banerjee is still writing it. And she has taken the oath, I will give the Bengal state anthem, and she is writing for the past at least 2 years. That's why they are still waiting for the national state anthem. So the answer we are looking for is state anthem. Okay, Arun gets 10 points. So next question goes to Akash in the bounce. Akash, your question. It's the usual. You are looking at Erica Labrie. And Erica Labrie, American archer, a sports person. Okay. Erica Labrie follows a particular philosophy in life. Okay. And that's why this particular picture is very important in her life. Okay. Exactly what is her relationship with Eiffel Tower? I want the exact relationship's name.
Question to Akash.
Yes, Akash. Akash, somebody can pounce. Anybody can pounce. What is her relationship with Eiffel Tower?
Sorry, what is the negative for pounds if you get it wrong?
+10, -5.
Okay.
Can you mention the name again, Erica?
Yes, Erica Labrie, Labrie, American competitive archer. He is following particular philosophy based on this particular philosophy.
I've pounced.
Yes.
Rishi
Who pounced? Wait. Who's pounced?
Rishi.
One. Sagnik.
Sagnik pounced.
Sagnik Sarkar pounced.
Got it.
Sagnik Sarkar. Arvind Dararaja. Anybody else?
Sagnik and Rishi pounced. That's all.
Rishi pounced. Stop it. Pouncing is closed. Yes. Now question to Mr. Akash. Akash, can you please explain?
Akash, sorry.
I'm gonna pass.
Pass. Yes. Sarkar pounced. And
Shrey.
I'm guessing wherever she practices, she gets it tattooed onto her body.
Oh, right. No. Rishi pounced. Vinod?
I think she has married Eiffel Tower. She treats Eiffel
She has
Tower as a
married
partner.
Eiffel Tower. Therefore, her name should be Erica Labrie Eiffel, isn't it?
Yes.
That's a 10 point. That is object sexuality. Object sexuality, people are getting married to objects. So this particular archer from America got married to Eiffel Tower in 2007. And that's why now she is called Erika Labrie Eiffel. Okay. Her husband is Eiffel Tower, not the Eiffel Tower. Okay. So bouncing scores.
Bouncing score, Rishi got it wrong, so it is -5. Sagnik
Okay.
got it right, so it is 10.
Yes. Now who answered? Vinod, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Vinod. Therefore, question goes to Arun next. Fujikyu Island Amusement Park Tokyo has a star attraction, the Fujiyama roller coaster. It is a very popular thrill ride. Recently, the management insisted on a rule to be followed by the riders. What is this practically difficult rule to follow? Bouncing is on. Something is banned. Something is prohibited. It is a restriction. Bouncing is on. Bouncing is closed. Yes, question to Mr. Arun, isn't it? Arun? Anybody pounced? Arvind?
It's Ray alone bounced.
Okay, right. Arun?
So basically, there is no screaming allowed. So you have to sit.
Why they should not scream?
Because that's the trivia on this, but basically,
It is COVID and all that. It is coronavirus, COVID and all that. Okay,
COVID.
the saliva, the droplets. Okay, even if you are wearing mask, when you scream, your droplets will go out, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why. Reason their advertisement, their executives are demonstrated how to ride in the roller coaster without making the sound out, enjoy yourself. But it is very difficult. Somebody is riding on a roller coaster, of course they let enjoy themselves, they let shout. And bouncing,
Bouncing got is right. Shrey Bhatte is right. He got 10 points.
yes, 10 points. So Arun answered it. Question goes to Akash, isn't it? Next question. Question number 4. Yes. Gallantry Award. We also serve. And the award's other side, Duke of Normandy, 1945. So exactly who is Duke of Normandy? Akash, bouncing is on. Who is Duke of Normandy? 1945. Gallantry Award. Of course, Second World War. Duke of Normandy. Bouncing is closed. Yes. Is there anybody pounced? Arvind?
No, nobody said.
Nobody pounced. Yes. Akash?
Churchill, maybe.
What is it?
Winston Churchill.
Not Winston Churchill. So question goes to Mr. Sarkar.
Is this that pigeon who reported for D-Day landings?
That's
So-
good. Exactly. Animals were provided these gallantry awards, and one pigeon called Duke of Normandy, carrying on that particular message on Normandy landing, it was provided a gallantry award. So Duke of Normandy was exactly a pigeon that's getting Mr. Sarkar 10 points. Pigeon. Duke of Normandy was a pigeon. Good. Nice answer. Question number 5 goes to Shrey. Shrey, your question. Nissan developed their patented super hydrophobic paint.
The last question, who scored, sir? Sorry.
Sarkar. Mr. Sarkar got 10 points. Okay.
Okay.
Shrey, your question. Hydrophobic paint that repels water to develop the world's first self-cleaning car. In 2015, Hamburg city of Germany, in the authorities used this hydrophobic concept for some outrageous purpose. What was that outrageous purpose? Bouncing is on. Bouncing is closed. Anybody pounced?
Arun TP pounced.
Arun TP pounced. Okay. Now the question is to Shrey. Shrey Bhatte, your question.
Sir, I'll guess for flood protection.
What is it?
Flood protection.
Flood protection. No. Rishi?
Is it about that anyone urinates in public, it urinates back at it?
Oh, right. So it is to stop public urination.
Yeah.
So they created pee-back walls. Exactly, they were called pee-back walls. So
Okay.
you pee on the wall, it will repel the water. The water will be sprayed on you. Okay. Very ingenious method of stopping people from urinating on public buildings and all that. Yes, Rishi, you are getting it right. 10 points. Pee-back walls. They created pee-back walls 10 points. Okay. At the end of the first round, the scores are
In the first round, Sagnik Sarkar with 20,
20,
Shrey Bhatte with 10,
10,
Rishiraj Dutt with 5 points,
Rishi
Vinod
with
Hariharan with 10,
10,
Rishi with 5 because he had a
5.
minus.
Yes, minus.
Vinod Hariharan 10, Arun with 30, Akash with
30.
30 to open his account.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now this round, team members, you listen to me carefully. So this is a connection round. Connection round we are introducing actually, of course, good quizzes, they never Google, but we can't see that. Okay. So that connection rounds are introduced, and the reason is that it is a little bit difficult to Google. But anyway, I hope that all of you are fair quizzes, well-known quizzes, therefore you won't Google. But connect round is interesting. Okay. So to provide for justice, that is, everybody can score. All the 6, you can score 60 points. 6 connect questions are there. You type in the answer on private chat to Mr. Arvind. Okay. You type in the 6 answers one by one to Mr. Arvind. At the end, I will give the answer and let's know the score. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You need not say the answer. You type in the answer to our scorer, Mr. Arvind, on private chat. Don't say the answer. Okay. First connect. Question number 1, first connect. Connect this animated movie, Charlie Brown Christmas, The Gods Must Be Crazy, and Billy Riders 1, 2, 3. What connects these 3 movies? Charlie
Is there
Brown,
any negative for this?
no negative. You given your answer, you get 10 points. If it is wrong, you don't get any points because you are going to write. It is a written round. The Gods Must Be Crazy and 1, 2, 3. Question number 2. Yes. 1173, 1974, 2012. Pizza, Tower of Pizza, Richard Nixon and Usain Bolt. What is the connection? Next one.
Just a minute, sir.
Yes. FedEx, KFC, Urban Company. Connect. Maybe I'll accept answers with different meanings, but I want an exact meaning. Exactly not one word or 2 word answer, but I will accept variations. FedEx, KFC and Urban Company. Four, connect these products. Don't give me the expected simple 2-letter abbreviation. I want more. Don't give me the expected 2-word abbreviation, 2-letter abbreviation. I want something more. Identify the objects. I don't worry about the objects and all that, but connect the 3. Here also, I can accept 1 or 2 or 3 words with the meaning I am expecting. Just the 2-letter abbreviation is not enough for 10 points. 5.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Yes. You're having a small slag. Arun, it's not moving.
No, just a minute, sir. I'm just trying to score that, sir.
Yes. So you're looking at pictures indicating 3 inventions, pictures representing 3 inventions, and I want a single English word to define these inventions. That is to define the process of this particular inventions. One English word that connects these 3 inventions. Nothing else. I expect only that English word. Penicillin, microwave oven, and vulcanized rubber.
Is this an exhaustive list?
List, it can go at least 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. You can set up a theme-based questions here. Okay. Just these 3 is given as an example. 6, last question, 6. Yes, connect these 2 books. Misery's Return, The Theory and Practical of Oligarchical Collectivism by Immanuel Goebbelstein. Connect these 2 books.
Is this an exhaustive connect or?
If I can go at least, I can give in this list at least 5 or 6 books in this. But exactly these 2 fit the particular theme I am looking for. If I relax, yes.
Will the audience be allowed to answer the questions for this round?
Later. Now. Okay. Arun, get ready. Arun, get ready. Go back to question number 1. Yes. Audience, anybody? Participants, your turn is over. Participants, your turn is over. Okay. Audience, anybody? What is the connection? There's animated feature, movie Gods Must Be Crazy, and 1, 2, 3. Billy Rider. Yes, anybody? No, the answer is Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Gods Must Be Crazy, the entire script is based on Coca-Cola bottle. The Aborigine is carrying a bottle all over the movie. In 1, 2, 3, the movie, the hero, actually a Coca-Cola executive. The entire movie is based on his life, Coca-Cola executive's life. And of course, this is the first animated movie series of Charlie Brown, and entirely sponsored by Coca-Cola. So connection is sponsored and of Coca-Cola part of script. These latter.
That was a really good question, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Question number 2. Who is talking?
Girija Patel.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the compliment. Question number 2. Question number 2. Where? Yes. Audience? Audience? Anybody attempt? I'll tell you. The year 1173, year 1974, 2012, the foundation for the Tower of Pisa laid on 9th August. Due to Watergate scandal, Nixon was ousted from White House in 1974 on 9th August. 2012 London Olympics, 100 meters and 200 meters on 9th August. He created a new record, that is consecutively winning 100 meters and 200 meters in Olympics. That exactly happened on 9th August, and 9th August is today's date. Okay, so the connection is 9th August. Anybody got it?
I think one person got it.
Oh, well, that's good. Okay.
Who got
9th August.
It is Akash Gupta.
Oh, Akash Gupta, congrats. 9th August. Okay, 3. Yes. Anybody from audience? Do we
Did
have
they all
any?
go bankrupt because of COVID? No. That's wrong.
Urban company
It's
is a very
something
new
hidden.
company.
It's something hidden in the brand name.
No. It is not something hidden. It is not. Urban company is a brand new company doing well. Okay. So FedEx was initially called Federal Express. KFC was initially called Kentucky Fried Chicken. Urban company was initially called Urban Clap. All these companies went for rebranding or name alteration. Rebranding or name alteration I am looking for. Federal Express, now it is called FedEx for the purpose of saving stationery. They actually saved so much of millions of rupees through stationery by changing the name into FedEx. KFC for health reasons. The word fried, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Fried actually it has chased so many customers, health conscious customers. That's why they changed the name to KFC. Urban, I don't know the reason, but Urban Clap changed the name to Urban Company now. So name change or rebranding, name alteration is accepted. Anybody got it? Arvind?
Nobody.
Nobody. Okay. 4. Yes.
GI tags,
GA tags, I told you that GA tag is not enough for me.
geographical indication.
Somebody said
Contested one.
Contested.
Yes.
Contested.
Contested, okay, but already decided. Only these three products up to me so far decided. Basmati rice has been given the GA tag for 7 states. Kolhapuri chappal has been given GA tag for Karnataka and Maharashtra. And Rasagulla has been given GA tag for Odisha and Bengal. Okay, so GA tag for multiple states. To my knowledge, only these three has got this particular GA tags. That's a connection.
What is the exact word you're looking for then?
Word is more than one state. More than one state.
If they have given GA tag controversy, can we give?
No, controversy is that all the GA tags are having controversy.
Okay.
All the GA tags are having controversy. Okay, more than one state, multiple states, more than 2 states, more than one state, something like that. 5. Question number 5.
Sir, is the English word serendipity?
Of course, it is serendipity. Serendipity because they were actually on a different process. They were doing something else. They were on the process of inventing something else. In that course, by serendipity, they identified all these invention, penicillin, microwave oven, and of course, vulcanized rubber. It
Can
is
we say
serendipity.
accidental also?
So
Accidental is the
I said I am looking for an English word that connects all the three. Serendipity is the exact English word.
So accident.
Accident is totally different. Accident is totally different.
Ac-
Accident is having so many different. Serendipity gets 10 points. That's it. 6.
They were all accidental inventions.
Accidental, no. It's how it is accident. Accident is having so many meanings. Serendipity is the exact word that connects. Okay.
But it's not a very commonly used word. People
Which
know.
one? Accident. Serendipity is the word exactly used. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, misery is return and the theory and
This
practice of
fictional books and actual
Of
Stephen
course,
King books.
the fictional books are exactly books within books within books. So, Misery, a book written by Stephen King. In that book, there is a writer. The writer writes Misery's Return. That is Paul Sheldon. That is a book within the book. And Theory and Practice of Oligarchical Collectivism is a book within the book, 1984. George Orwell. Okay. Books within the books. There is a long collection is there. Okay. Books within books. So at least 2 books within books, or books that doesn't exist, or fictitious books. Even we can't accept fictional books. Fictitious or books that doesn't exist, etc.
Really good
Current
fun
score.
for this.
Yes, thank you.
So just
Anybody?
Yes.
Yes. So these are all the rounds we are breaking our brain for the purpose of avoiding Googling. But of course, I respect all the quizzes today. They are not resorting to Googling. But sometimes. Two more rounds to go. So that if somebody is waiting for some other quiz, you can go and attend. We are bang on time.
By 5:30.
Okay. Arvind, the round scores and total score.
Yes. So Sagnik Sarkar with 10.
10 in this round.
Yes.
Therefore, his total score is
Total score is 30.
okay.
Shrey Bhatte, I think nothing right.
Okay.
So his score is again 10.
10.
Rishiraj with 10. So
10.
it becomes 15.
Yes.
Vinod Hariharan with 10. So it becomes
10.
30.
Okay.
Arun TP had 30. Same
30.
thing. And Akash Gupta with same 10.
Same 10.
You're
So-
not giving mark points for fictional books, right? So that's also.
Fictional books. See, regarding books, all the books are fictional books.
Yes.
Fiction, non-fiction.
Very, very broad term.
Very broad term. So I could have accepted fictitious books. Okay, fictitious.
But accidental in invention is
Accidental,
literally
yeah.
what.
No. Accident. That's something different. When something
No.
falls down, it is accident.
No,
Okay?
sir, I'm not saying accident. I'm saying accidental inventions is what.
No, it's wrong. Serendipity is the, look at the meaning in the dictionary. Serendipity is the exact word that defines all these inventions. Okay. Accidental is having so many other synonyms meanings. Okay, accident, it is just like that, it's happening. Accident is not accepted. Serendipity is you are looking for something and something else happens. So the definition is different for accident and serendipity. Check the definitions, please. Yes, if the scores is satisfactory to all the participants, we are moving on to the next round. Another 5 questions on Funda. Again, you pounce to Mr. Aravind. Question number 1 to lost candidate, Mr.
Similar to the
Akash.
first round, man.
Yes, just like the first round. You pounce to Mr. Aravind. Yes, Mr. Akash, read the question. These are latent dash prints that are used for forensic identification. In addition to exclusive identity of a person, the prints are also actually helping to determine the stature of the perpetrator. Fill in the blank. What prints we are talking about? Pouncing is on. Simple answer. Pouncing is on. Pouncing is closed. Akash, your answer. Anybody pounced, Arvind?
Nobody.
Nobody, right? Yes, Akash, what's your answer? Latent dash prints are used for forensic identification. Quick.
Shadow.
No. Arun?
These sweat prints.
What is that?
Sweat,
No.
sweat,
Spell it.
SWEAT. Sweat.
No, no, no. Vinod?
Are these prints of other parts of the body other than fingers, like cheek or
I
ear
want an
or something?
exact answer. Exact answer. Specific answer.
Non-fingerprints, basically.
Rishi? Wrong. Rishi?
Friction skin. Friction skin prints.
No.
Friction skin.
That's not enough for me. Shrey?
So I'll guess ear prints because it looks like the shape of a ear.
It looks like the shape of ear to you.
I guess.
So ear print, they vary from individual to individual?
I think so.
Exactly, exactly. That's the right answer. Very good answer, Shrey. That is 10 points for you. These are latent ear prints. Ear prints in the particular place of crime, a perpetrator, naturally, if you are going to steal or if you are going to commit any crime, naturally they'll put their ear on the door or at least on the window or at least on the wall, isn't it? So ear prints are also very important, equivalent to fingerprints. We can identify a person and the stature, the height of the person. Ears give you an idea about the height of the person. Excellent answer, Mr. Shrey. 10 points.
So like
Nice
no
job.
two people have the same ear print.
Yes, of course, of course. Okay, that's fine. Yes. Question number 2 to whom Shrey answered. It comes to Sarkar. Okay. Sarkar and others, please listen. We are talking about Ethiopia, Lalibela. Lalibela, the location's name and the king's name. King was also called Lalibela, Sama, etc., etc., Lalibela. And Lalibela, in the 11th and 12th century, between that period, he actually created 11 these types of monolithic structures. They're actually churches for worshipping. 11, think about 11 and monolithic. Okay. And Lalibela, now it is a tourist attraction. So exactly for what purpose Lalibela created all these 11 churches, monolithic structures? Pouncing is on. Pouncing is closed. Yes, Sarkar, you can take it.
Yeah, Arun pounced, but it's wrong.
Arun pounced is wrong. Pouncing is closed. Yes.
Sarkar, you have to unmute yourself.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. I'm
The
saying.
question is to Sarkar, isn't it? Sarkar?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is this a recreation of Jerusalem? So they are worshipping Jerusalem.
Okay, that's right. Okay, that is exactly in 1187. Jerusalem was occupied by Muslims, and Lalibela wanted to create a new Jerusalem, and for that purpose, he created these 11 churches, and he actually people to worship. This is New Jerusalem. Okay, but it never became New Jerusalem. But that was the purpose of Lalibela. Sarkar, that's getting 10 points. So Sarkar answered. Question comes to Akash again.
And Arun gets -5.
Yes, -5. Sarkar is getting 10 points. And Akash, your question. Arun, you are rushing. Okay. With reference to American police, what is blue wall, blue code, or blue shield? Anybody pouncing? Blue wall or blue code or blue shield? Anybody pounced? Pouncing is closed. Arun?
I think Arun pounced.
Arun pounced.
Arun,
Okay.
Shrey, and Shrey also pounced.
Yes, Shrey also pounced. So question to Akash.
This sort of human chain of structure they create for riot control.
Higher control, no. Right?
Right control.
Right.
Right control, no. Arun? Arun pounced. Vinod?
Arun pounced.
Yes, Vinod?
This is something pertaining to animals. If you want to rescue some animals.
Nothing to do with animals, nothing to do Blue Cross and all that. No. Rishi Raj?
Is it about the silence of policemen or the secrecy that they sworn in about silence of policemen in America?
Regarding what?
About not talking to the public or not giving information, public
No,
information.
I am pausing you. Shrey pounced.
Shrey pounced, yes.
Yes. Sarkar?
So I'll expound on that answer. To not basically betray the trust or any crimes committed during the course of duty by other policemen.
Oh, that's right. Okay. That I can cite at least two examples. One example in America. One black was actually killed by the police. Another one happened in Tamil Nadu, Satankulam. Okay. In Satankulam, one police personnel called Revati, she actually gave the declaration that whatever that happened in police station. So blue wall, blue code, blue shield in America, it says that you can't say anything or comment or declare anything about any crime or anything that was committed by your colleague. You'll have to safeguard your colleague. That is blue wall, blue code, or blue shield. Two examples. One recently happened with a black person in America. One that happened in our own Tamil Nadu in Satankulam.
So they have given the wall of silence, whether it is right.
Wall of silence is not accepted. I want the word colleague.
And silence code?
No. Colleague. Wall of silence about colleague. That is not accepted. Colleague is the word. That is totally different declaration. It is not blue wall. It is not blue code. It is not blue shield. That's totally different. So that is -5. Let's move on to question number 4. It is to Akash again. Akash. Antisthenes was a Greek philosopher who lectured at CY, a gymnasium for the use of Athenians born of foreign mothers. He emphasized the pursuit of a pure, honest life. How his philosophy is known now. Lectured at the gymnasium CY. Anybody pouncing? Pouncing is on. Because he first emphasized the pursuit of pure, honest life, but it's having a totally different meaning now, that particular philosophy. Arun pouncing? Closed.
Let me check the
Anybody pounced?
Yeah, Vinod Hariharan has pounced. Shrey has
Shrey?
and Shrey.
Okay. 3 or 4 pounds.
3. Shrey, Vinod Hariharan, and Rishi.
Okay. So the question is to Akash, isn't it? Akash?
Dialectics.
Not dialectics. So question comes to Sarkar.
Xenophobia.
No. So Shrey pounced, isn't it?
Yeah.
Rishi?
I pounced.
Pounced. Vinod?
Yeah, I also pounced.
Arun?
I didn't bounce. Is it cynicism or some cynicism?
Exactly. Cynicism. Cynicism, now it is your own opinion. It is in your self-interest, the entire life from your point of view. Okay. You're having an opinion at least with 100% self-interest, self-motivated, self-purposeful. That is cynicism now. But originally Antisthenes said it is pursuit of a pure, honest life from your own individuality. That's it. Okay. So cynicism.
Cynicism is getting 10 points to Vinod and Shrey.
Shrey.
And Rishi has written ethics, so it is wrong.
No, it's not. Cynicism. Cynicism is from Sarkar, CY. Okay, exactly. Okay. So now who answered? I think Akash answered. Who answered?
Arun answered.
Arun answered. Question goes to Akash. Question goes to Akash.
Arun answered, right, this question?
Yeah.
Arun, you got 10 points for cynicism. Okay. So 6. Akash, sorry, 5. Question number 5. Last question in this round. At Puri temple, Lord Jagannath, his elder brother Palabhadra and sister Subhadra are given ritual bathing with cold water from a pitcher, Kalasam, over 108 times on the occasion of Snana Purnima. This happens exactly at fortnight before the annual Rath Yatra. After this Snana Purnima, till the commencement of Rath Yatra, the darshan of Lord Jagannath and his siblings are actually denied to the public. Why? What is the reason? This question is actually given by Mr. Arvind. Okay, if you enjoy the question, the appreciation should go to Mr. Arvind. Okay, pouncing is allowed. Why? The darshan is not allowed during this particular fortnight. Now I'm looking for at least one word. Pouncing is closed. Anybody pounced, Arvind?
No, nobody.
No, nobody pounced. So Akash?
I think it's probably has something to do with the lunar cycle.
Nothing to do with the lunar cycle. Okay. So Sarkar?
This is the time when Chappan Bhog is given.
What is that?
Chappan Bhog is a 56 dish item which is given during the
No,
time.
during this time, Chappan Bhog is not given.
Not given. Shrey?
I think all the people inside the temple fall sick or something like that.
No. Rishi? Rishi, I'm waiting for an answer.
I think she's stuck somewhere.
Okay. Vinod?
Yeah, I think during this period they changed the idols. They replaced with the new set of idols.
Rishi,
Arun?
answer, right?
Rishi is there?
Rishi?
I mean, they consider like, okay, hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
tell me.
This is Arun here. This is not Rishi. Okay.
Arun, tell me. Arun, tell me.
So it's like they're considered like human beings, right? So they're led to take a rest after the bath because 108 is like a very lot of bath. Right?
So they'll take a rest. Okay. Very close, Mr. Arun. But the right answer is, it is, and the bath is from cold water, of course, 108 times. So it is assumed that Lord Jagannath may suffer from fever and he will have to be quarantined for 15 days, fortnight. It is exactly quarantining for 15 days.
Lovely.
Safeguard the Lord Jagannath. Okay. So even in those days they had quarantining, even for Lord, and cold water bathing and all that. Okay. That is 108 times. So assume that he may catch a fever. So he'll have to be quarantined.
Very
This quarantining of Lord Jagannath. So if you appreciate, the credit goes to Mr. Arvind. Okay. Thank you. Yes, at the end of this round, the scores are.
At the end of the third round.
Nobody gets point in this one?
Pardon?
No, nobody is getting points.
Nobody scored.
Nobody is getting.
So at the end of this round, Sagnik Sarkar with 50 points.
50.
Closely followed by Vinod Hariharan with 40.
40.
Followed by Shrey with 35.
35.
Arun with 30.
30.
And Rishi and Akash Gupta with 10 points each.
10 points each. Okay. So there is some Amazon gift vouchers are waiting from Mr. Nambirajan. Okay. Let's see who is going to win that. Next round, I am starting with Mr. Sarkar. Please listen. This is a rapid fire round. So, Nambi, who is keeping the score time?
I can.
Nambi?
It's 30 seconds.
Yes. 30 seconds. Okay. Mr. Sarkar and all other participants, please remember, you will be given 3 questions. The question appear on the screen. I will also read the question. And you are given 30 seconds to answer 3 questions. Each question carries 10 points, 30 points at stake, and you'll have to say pause or you'll have to give me an answer which is right or wrong. Then I move on to the next question. If you're not saying anything, I'll be stay on the same question. So when the question appears, you'll have to say pause or you'll have to give me a right or wrong answer. I'll say right or wrong. Then we will immediately move on to the next question. Is it clear?
Yep.
Yeah, right. Sarkar, your first question comes on the screen. Your time starts now.
Just a minute. So,
Yes, yes.
there's no pouncing there, right? Just 3 questions
No,
for each.
no. It is 3 questions for individually for all the participants. Okay.
Okay.
This is again our strategy to stop Googling. Okay. Again, this is all to avoid Googling. For quizmasters, now the main enemy is Google. Okay. To avoid that, we are moving to the traditional rapid fire type. Okay. Yes. Sarkar, are you ready?
Yeah.
Your time starts now. Question number 1. Which capital city's name means the well in Hebrew or Arabic? You are staying on this question.
Tel Aviv.
Wrong. 2. Question number 2. Exactly what is the meaning of this kangaroo's posture, body language? Exactly what its meaning? What does it want to convey?
Ubermensch or Superman Ubermensch.
What is that?
Ubermensch. Ubermensch by Nietzsche.
I'll take this answer. Yes. Tell me.
I said Ubermensch got the Superman complex that was given by Nietzsche.
What is the meaning of Superman complex?
The highest position that a man can lead, or the God complex, you can say.
No, Sarkar. The answer is wrong. Okay. The first question, the answer is Beirut. Okay. Beirut. Second question, the answer is it is a mating gesture. Mating gesture. It is just like man. It is showing its biceps. Okay. It is a mating gesture. Mating gesture to attract the females. Kangaroos do it just like human beings. They are also showing biceps. Okay. 8-pack or 6-pack, whatever it is. Okay. So no points for Mr. Sarkar. Next question number 3, just for the sake of you. Question number 3, I'll show it. Just to you. Which country observes August 15 as the National Mourning Day?
Bangladesh.
Yes.
Bangladesh.
Right, fine.
Sheikh
No
Mujibur
points.
Rahman's death day.
Yes, that's fine. No points here. And the next is Mr. Shrey. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, your question appears on the screen now. Question number 1. Yes. Why this particular Bronx Stairs very popular tourist spot in America now?
What is the question?
Why these stairs are very popular in America now?
I'll just move on.
Yes, 2. Question number 2. Who contested for Lok Sabha in 1980 at Madak against Indira Gandhi and got the 9th place in that elections?
I guess Vajpayee.
Wrong. 3. Question number 3. Which Chinese company's mission statement is inspire creativity and enrich life? You can take it.
I guess TikTok.
Time up.
Company's name.
ByteDance.
I'll accept it. You get 10 points. 10 points. So first one, I think you missed it.
Joker stare.
Joker. Yeah, you missed Joker. Second one is Shakuntala
Devi.
Yes, missed it. Okay. Just 10 points. Okay. Unfortunate. So next is Mr. Rishi Raj, isn't it?
Right.
Rishi, are you ready?
Yeah.
Your time starts now. Seat number 64 coach by B5 Kashi Mahakal Express reserved for whom on the inaugural journey?
Pass.
Pass. Question number 2. Kushant Singh chose which date as his birthday in the absence of his proper birth records?
Chota ki. 15 January.
15 January is wrong. Next one. 3. Is time is available? Yes. Which company's? Yes, time is up. But you can take it. Which company's logo is this? Currently in question. Currently in news.
Pass.
Pass. Okay. So I'll give the answers for this. This is actually Serum Institute. 225 rupees. And before that, we had the question on Kushant Singh's birth date. Kushant Singh actually born on, according to the school records, he was born on 2nd of February, something like that. But he changed it to August 15th later. Okay. And this was on the inaugural journey when it was inaugurated by Narendra Modi. This particular seat number 64, coach number B5 was reserved for Lord Shiva. Reserved for Lord Shiva. Okay. In the inaugural journey. Yes. Next to Vinod, I think.
What was the answer to the last question?
Which one?
The logo.
Logo is Serum Institute. Serum Institute. Recently, they are launching coronavirus vaccine for 225 rupees. They fix the price, and the vaccine is actually being awaited. Okay, vaccine is awaited. Yes. So it is Vinod, isn't it? Vinod, are you ready?
Yes.
Vinod, if you are ready, your question. Identify the movie. From this minimalist poster, anyway, identify the movie.
Forrest Gump.
No, it's wrong. Question number 2. Name the judicial capital of Andhra Pradesh. Recently announced.
Calcutta.
Yes.
Calcutta.
Judicial capital of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, question number 3. What is the contribution of New York Times to Volkswagen Beetle?
The font.
No, that's wrong. So your points, no, I think nil points. I think. Just go back. We'll give it for the sake of answers to them. Others. Okay. Audience?
Dil
Yes.
Bechara.
It is Dil Bechara. Dil Bechara,
Dil
Sari.
Bechara, yeah.
So the answer is Sari. Okay. Sari. Sari means in Tamil exactly. Sari appears in the movie. Okay, Sari. Question number 2.
Amravati?
Kurnool is the judicial capital of Andhra Pradesh. And question number 3 is actually New York Times gave the name Beetle. When it was produced, it was the only sole car of Volkswagen company. It was called Volkswagen, people's car. As decided by Hitler, it was called Volkswagen. The name of the car itself was Volkswagen. Later in 1930 or something like that, in an article in New York Times, they call it a Beetle. So the name got stuck in, the company accepted the answer. That's why still it is called Volkswagen Beetle. But unfortunately, the production has stopped. Okay.
The first one was Dil Bechara, sir.
Dil Bechara, of course, Dil Bechara. The word Sari is there, Sari in Tamil. It appears in the movie. Okay.
Beetle is a great question.
Yes, thank you. Yes.
Arun is not to be seen.
I am there.
Arun, are you here?
I am here.
Right.
Yeah, I am
Arun,
here.
therefore, it is you are. Yes, Arun, look at it. Time starts now. Now.
About this is about the
Which room? Look at the screen. Which room?
The oval room.
Good. The room where it started, it get 10 points. 2. Question number 2. Oval room. Nominated for 7 awards. Godfather 3 won how many Academy Awards?
5.
5 is wrong. Okay, 3. African big 5 game animals: lion, leopard, rhino, elephant, and
It's the African buffalo.
that's good. 20 points. 20 points. That's Arun. Nice scoring. 20 points within time. 20 points. Okay. The wrong one is Godfather 3 won no awards.
It got none.
It got none. No awards at all. Okay. Yes. So, Arun, let's see the scores now.
Yes, we have interesting scores.
Ah.
There's a tie for the first place between Sagnik Sarkar and Arun with 50 points each.
Okay.
Second place is Shrey with 45.
Okay.
Followed by Vinod Hariharan with 40.
40. Okay.
And Rishi and Akash are with 10 points each.
Yes. Okay.
So the questions are pending for Akash.
Akash, are you ready?
Yep.
Your time starts now. Question number 1. First times are so special, unique, but the last times are beyond comparison. But people don't normally know it is their last time. Which web series we are talking about?
Pass.
Pass. 2. Question number 2. Yes. Identify the perfume. Who is the manufacturer of perfume? Flame grilled of fragrance.
Chanel.
No. 3. Question number 3. According to PM Narendra Modi, which initiative should be treated as Mahayagna?
Time's up.
Time is up. Okay. So that's it. We are coming to the end of this wonderful quiz as organized by Mr. Nambirajan and Satya Nambirajan's YouTube channel. Okay. Please watch their interesting programs.
So we have time for the first place.
What is the answer for the first question on this?
This is Burger King, right? Flame Grill.
Burger King, flame grilled fragrance is Burger King. That was Money Heist.
This is sex education.
Money Heist. By Professor Money Heist.
And what is this one?
This one is a new education policy.
Oh, yeah.
New education policy. He says it should be treated as Mahayagna. Okay, to create new India.
Fancy names, yeah.
Okay.
The second one.
We have a tie.
So
Second one is Burger King. Burger King, the perfume. Okay.
So Arun TP seems to have another quiz. So can we complete the tiebreaker?
Yes, tiebreaker now. Okay. Yes, type question between.
They type it out.
How
they will type it out. They will type it out.
You can message it to me. Chat.
Okay.
The chat.
Okay, through chat. Identify the personality. I will give the 2 answers. Okay, 2 questions. Identify the personality. Type in. Question number 2. Arun, we can take the question number 2 also. Tell them right 2. According to Ramayana, who originally ruled Sri Lanka from Ravana, usurped the kingdom. According to Ramayana, who originally ruled Sri Lanka from whom Ravana usurped the kingdom. You can type in the answers.
Arun TP.
Yeah, Arvind, I have message to Arvind, okay?
Yes, you let a message it to Arvind. Yes, Arvind?
Yes, and Sagnik Sarkar has given answer for the first picture as Ramanujan and second as Maya Suran.
Okay.
Both are wrong.
Wrong.
Arun has given the first picture as Narendra Modi and the second answer is Kubera. Second answer is right, it is Kuber. So he's
That's
getting
it. That's it.
first
That's
picture
it.
is Karunanidhi.
First picture is Karnanidhi. I think just 2 days before we had his Memorial Day. Okay. August. Karnanidhi's Memorial Day, just 2 days before. Okay.
So congratulations, Arun TP. on
So
winning.
Arun TP is winning today's Mind Games Open Quiz
Thank
with
you.
60 points.
Congrats.
Sagnik Sarkar with 50 points is bagging second prize.
That's
Shrey-
unfortunate.
And Shrey Bhatte just missing the whisker with 45 points.
Yes, Nambirajan, you can consider a consolation prize for Sarkar. Okay.
Sure.
Maybe 2 prizes or 3 prizes.
3 prizes.
Only one, 2, 3 prizes. Okay.
Okay.
You can consider some consolation prizes for others also. Okay.
Yeah, okay, cool. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for participating. Thanks for
Thank you.
Yeah, lovely quiz. Yeah.
Thank
Is
you.
there a prize for third place?
Yeah,
We'll see that, gentlemen.
Thank you.
We'll see that. We'll see that.
Okay.
So, participants, what is your opinion about the quiz? Please share it so that Mr. Nambirajan can rejoice.
Very well conducted. Very
Thank you.
pertinent
Yeah,
questions.
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
Good
connect round
question.
was really good.
Thank you. Okay, that's our signature round. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Very nice quiz. Very nice quiz.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
thanks, Manoj.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for hosting the quiz. Thank you, Arun.
Yes, thank you.
Nambirajan.
Hope that Nambi is satisfied. Nambi is satisfied.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
thank you, everyone.
And
you.
thank you, Nambi's friends, Mr. Sandeep and everybody. Thank you for
Yes,
your
yes.
cooperation. I
Thank
know
you,
that
Rangarajan,
it is a
sir.
tedious process. It is a tedious process. I know that in online quiz, correcting the prelims answers is the tedious job. I won't do it if they pay me 10,000 rupees. Okay. It is the most difficult job in online quiz. You did that. Thank you very much. Without you, the quiz is not possible. And for hosting the quiz, I thank Nambirajan and his
Hello.
wife Satya Nambirajan. Okay. Yes. Anybody?
Yeah, can we get these questions
In what way?
in whatever way you can give, like
We'll
for
try. Send me an email ID. Okay. You got my number? Send me an email ID. Okay.
So we have a recording of this quiz. We will upload it later.
Yes, on his YouTube channel.
YouTube
Okay.
channel.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you. Meet you in next quiz. Meet you in next quiz. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.